Have you ever cut a hole into your car before? Well, this is also our first time. Luckily we had our DIY superhero helping us. This time we learned how to install a roof window and how to wire cables. Hopefully you can use some of the information for your own project.
Okay, so we will put the window now, and I will explain because Yukari didn't want to. We made this frame and we will put here. Then we will mark. Then we put tape for covering it and protecting it. Then we will take machine and cut. And then we put window. Okay. Should be okay. Almost can't see, but very good. Okay.
Then my father showed up and took over. He explained a few basics.
2 mm, das wäre mir schon zu grob. Ich würde wahrscheinlich mit diesem hier sägen.
Okay, ja.
Das muss man aber probieren. Guck, ja, die gehen. Die würden gehen. Ja, ja, 118b, da sagt man bis 2 mm Metall. Das, also die würde ich probieren,
okay.
weil die ratschen richtig gut ran. So, und da bohre ich jetzt erstmal 4 große Löcher rein. Das geht ratzfatz. Ja.
I was kind of scared, but my dad was cool.
Ja, aber trotzdem, ne?
He quickly made 4 holes with a step drill. Then used the jigsaw. He used the 2 mm blade and the high-speed setting.
Das ist immer gefährlich, wenn man ihn rauszieht. Das verklebt ganz gut, aber mich wundert es, dass es sich so gut sägen lässt. Da bin ich
Ist auch gut.
angenehm überrascht, das hätte ich jetzt überhaupt nicht erwartet.
We were both surprised how easy it cut through.
Wow.
For preventing rust and injuries while working, we smoothed out the corners with a metal file. We tried how it would look, and it fitted.
Cute little window.
Next, we built a frame. We used leftover wood, measured and cut it.
That's it.
We connected the wood with screws and it was a perfect fit. Then we glued the frame from the inside with Sikaflex, a special glue for camping cars and boats. We also used it for isolating the edges and preventing future rust. Now it was time to let it dry. Meanwhile, we prepared the solar panel duct. We bought it for about €5. The cables didn't fit, so we made the holes bigger with a step drill.
And
the Aikido.
Then we had to make another hole in the roof. This time we could do it by ourselves.
something like this.
We attach the cables to the duct again with Sikaflex. We used a lot and it did not look beautiful, but being waterproof was most important.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just if it's waterproof is important. Yeah, especially this corner, lots of water will come.
We sealed the corners and let it dry. Now the moment of truth came. It was time to insert the window. It was important to clean the surface so that the glue will stick. I even got a new haircut for this special day. We put the glue on the window and then it did not fit. The frame inside moved a little bit. Yukari was laughing, but I was dead serious. In a situation like this, you need to stay calm and positive. We quickly removed the frame, then attached the frame again. Once again, using a lot of Sikaflex to make sure it is tight and waterproof. It was time to extend the ventilator cable and the solar panel cable to our power station. We had no idea about how to connect cables. Again, our DIY superhero comes for help.
Und dann ist folgendes, ja, da kommt folgendes, dann gibt es Lötzinn. Die Stellen, die gelötet werden sollen, die steckt man da erstmal so ein bisschen rein oder tut ein bisschen Fett an beide Stellen. Ein bisschen rum, damit das so glatt bleibt. Ja, ja. So, genau. Ein bisschen gerade ziehen.
He is soldering the wires.
Ich merke richtig, wie das Kabel warm wird.
Merkst du, ne? Oh, guck, da ist jetzt gut Lötzinn dran, ne? Hier. Da wieder das Lötzinn dran. Aber es ist ein bisschen... Lötzinn ist hier sogar drin in den Dingern normalerweise. Das ist eben sehr unterschiedlich.
Then using a tube that shrinks when heating to isolate the connected spots. We plugged in the cable and it worked. Now we extend the ventilator cable. There is one for the light and one for the ventilator itself.
Not even sure if this is a good way.
This time I connect the cables with this blue piece instead of soldering. We attached a 12-volt DC plug for our power station. Then test it. And it worked. Then we did the same for the ventilator. It worked.
We have two different. One is in and one is out. No?
Now we have a way to circulate air inside.
Cool, yeah. Yeah, amazing, yeah.
Looking back, we've learned some valuable lessons. Measure twice, cut once. That's the golden rule. And when in doubt, call Dad. Sometimes you've got to make mistakes to really learn. But now we are a little wiser and a lot more confident. If you enjoyed this video, we are more than happy for likes and new subscribers. Have a good day and see you soon.